My family. In this module, you will explore the meaning of family and identify the members in a family.
It is such a nice zoo. There are so many animals and birds.
Sid and Alicia, can you see that family of giraffes?
Yes, they look so cute playing with each other. Family? What exactly is a family?
When parents and children live together, it is called a family.
Like us. We live together and we are a family.
That's right.
There is a father giraffe, a mother giraffe, and 2 baby giraffes. The 2 baby giraffes are siblings.
Sibling? What's that?
A brother or a sister is known as sibling.
Did you know that all the members of a family are related to each other?
Dad, please tell us how we are related to each other.
Ria is your mother. I am your father. We are your parents. Sid and you are our children. You are Sid's sister.
Okay, now I understand. Alicia, look towards your right. There are so many penguins.
Did you know that a group of penguins is known as a colony?
No, I wasn't aware of it. Wow! See, that is the mother penguin. That is the father penguin. And that is a baby penguin.
I am feeling hungry now. Let's go to the snacks corner and grab something to eat.
Let's recap. Father, mother, and children make a family. A brother or a sister is known as a sibling. There are several members in a family who are related to each other.